I'm not gonna lie, it is brick. What's good, YouTube? The lighting's probably shit. Today we're going to be installing my Euro taillights. I don't know what POVs to give you guys because I've never done this before. The most I've done to a car is clean it. Never even done an oil change. Still go to Ford for that. I'm gonna open this box though. We're gonna see if it has instructions. If not, I'm gonna go to cjponyparts.com and I'm gonna click the how-to tutorial because I watched it when I ordered it, so I know it exists. But if they have like a paper tutorial, I'd rather watch that so I can listen to music. All right, y'all. So we're about to unbox it. I want to say it's this way up. View installation instructions at formlights.com/install. Don't mind if I do. All right, so we have our installation information. 2018 plus, 2015 plus right there.
So, you want to change the world?
But what the hell? I gotta watch a YouTube video.
Problem?
Hi, Jordan with Form Lighting.
Hi,
Today,
Jordan.
we'll show you how to install our LED taillights on this 2018 Ford Mustang.
What?
With our trunk open, the first step to this install.
He's going a little too fast. I'm not gonna lie. He's already removing stuff. I haven't even taken the lights out of the box. So now that we got our tutorial, also I'm sitting on a trash bag with these voodoo ass O'Reilly screwdrivers holding the bag down because there's mad ants. All right, I don't want to ant on my ass. Oh, I would. Oh my miss. All right, we got one side. We got two sides. 3 side, 4 side. Yeah. Yeah. These are beautiful. We got these. I really hope y'all can see. I really hope y'all can see me right now. Because if I'm recording and all y'all like seeing it like the bottom of my face, I'm still posting it. Is this gonna be easy? Because it looks like it. There's only like 1, 2, 3. There's only 4 holes. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yo, these are gonna look. All right, y'all. So I got my boy Jacob, I think his name was, right here, and I have the left tail light right here. So he said first that I gotta uninstall the plastic piece right there, and there's 4 clips, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. I'm gonna try to get as much as me doing it as possible. I'll probably stop and go just because I don't think I have a lot of space in my car, but I'll also try to explain what steps in case some of you are using this as a tutorial, which I would not do if I was you. I'll put the link to Jacob's video in the bio. Oi, he, Mr. Speedy guy over here. I'm sorry. Yeah, uno. Two. Why is there a nail in the back of my car? Yo, what is this doing? Should I get nails again? I don't know. Alright, I got the other 2. I'm gonna keep watching the video and just keep going along. I would like to formally announce that we have got the clips off. I had to like remove the felt and just pull it instead of like trying to pop the screw out. It was never gonna happen. Alright. We now see the 3mm nuts holding the taillight. I'm about to bring y'all inside the car so y'all can see like me doing the stuff. Oh, there's no way to like post you guys up, so I think I'm just gonna take like continuous clips of my progress and then I will speed run the other side so y'all can see that in fast motion. So I'm gonna remove these 3 and then I'll run the camera back on so I can tell y'all my next step. So guys, a lot of progress has been made since I last took a clip for you guys. As you can see, everything is removed. It was just those 3 screws and then the fuse back there. But as far as the Mustang goes, we are officially taillightless. We will get to transferring this plastic piece onto the ones that I bought, because the ones that I bought are 2018 plus and they don't have that plastic piece. So we have to adapt them, and then it's just installing them in reverse. Alright, y'all. So this taillight is not on. I still have to tighten the 10 millimeters and plug the harness back together. I'm gonna go ahead, put them all together. I'll install this one and then we will be done. I'll turn it on, give y'all a cold start so we can see if the brake lights work. I guess that'll be like the final touch, seeing if it actually works. I'm gonna pop some music on in my AirPods while I tighten everything, and I'll just speed y'all up. Y'all already know I got some out loud five playing. I'm about to speed run this. I gotta get an angle on this. Yeah. Should this be the thumbnail? Where did it go? Yo, don't say. I'm about to call my man and see if he could grab me one of these. I don't know if that's a thing, but we're gonna find out. Baby! Wait, are you guys at an auto store? Wait, can you grab me something? Can you grab me something? I dropped the bolt. Flip, can you grab me this? It's a 10 millimeter. Alright, y'all, so this fuse clicked in. This one will not click in. I've put so much pressure, so I'm gonna turn the car on and I'm gonna see if like the brake light works on that side. Alright, y'all, shout out Flip. We got the thing that we were missing, so it's the odd one out, but I'm gonna put that plastic piece back here and then I'll close it and show you guys how it looks. So I struggled, but got the plastic piece on. There they are. They look so cool. Okay. Trunk close. What do we think? I'm severely turned on by my car. I love them. I always envied like the 2018 plus taillights because of like the curve, but not the front bumper. So now I have the best of both worlds.
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.